Earlier today, OpenAI announced the GPT Store. Now when you open ChatGPT in a browser, you can find the GPT Store by clicking on the Explore GPTs button. But it requires you to use a GPT-4 version to access the store. According to OpenAI, here are over 3 million custom versions of GPTs, and you can discover what's trending in the store. Here also lists some popular categories like DALL-E, writing, research, programming, and so on. What's more, OpenAI also mentions that they will highlight useful and impactful GPTs every week, such as designing presentations or social posts with Canva. A lot of users are wondering how to make money from GPTs. The good news is in the new GPT Store, builders can earn based on GPT usage. OpenAI plans to pay US builders based on user engagement with their GPTs, and more details on the criteria for payment will be provided later. So this provides a way for you to make money using ChatGPT. You can create your own GPTs by clicking on the Create button, and then further customize your own GPTs. And you are able to create many GPTs if you like. If your GPTs is cool enough, they could make profits for you in the future. Besides that, they also update a team version with $25 per month. It offers higher message caps on GPT-4 and tools like DALL-E, browsing, and more. There are also many cool AI tools in my channel. In addition to the exciting world of GPTs, my channel is packed with amazing AI tools. And one that I'm particularly excited to share with you is Tenorshare PDF AI. This tool is a game changer for anyone dealing with PDFs. It's not just your average PDF editor, it's an AI-powered powerhouse that makes managing and editing PDFs a breeze.
If you find this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Your support really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.